Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? But what if I told you that the right meal could help clean your arteries and boost your heart health? Over time, poor diet and lifestyle choices can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. This narrows blood flow and increases the risk of heart disease. Bad diet, fried foods, processed sugar, excessive red meat, lack of exercise, smoking, and stress. The right foods can reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve circulation, preventing plaque buildup. That's where our #1 best meal comes in. High in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol, LDL, helps prevent blood clot formation, reducing heart attack risk. Best way to eat: grilled, baked, or pan-seared. Avoid frying. Pair with a squeeze of lemon for extra antioxidants. Why they're good: high in nitrates, which help relax and widen blood vessels. Rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, reducing artery damage. Best choices: spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard. Why they're good: high in fiber, which lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, helps regulate blood sugar, reducing the risk of diabetes-related heart issues. Best choices: quinoa, brown rice, oats, or whole wheat bread. This meal is easy to prepare. Grill or bake salmon, pair it with a fresh spinach salad, and serve it with a side of quinoa. Drizzle olive oil for added heart benefits. Studies show that people who consume omega-3 rich fish have a lower risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Leafy greens and whole grains also contribute to better cardiovascular health. Doctors and nutritionists recommend a Mediterranean-style diet, which includes these ingredients for optimal heart health. So, the #1 best meal to clean your arteries is salmon with leafy greens and whole grains. These ingredients fight inflammation, reduce cholesterol, and improve circulation. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. Share it with someone who cares about their heart, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and thank you for watching.